the quadrants and related angles. So with this, the whole idea is that we're going to be taking the angles that we know how to solve, so the exact angles like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, and apply them to angles that are bigger and sometimes smaller than 90 degrees and 0 degrees, respectively. Okay? So first thing that we need to talk about are our quadrants. So remember when we measured our ray, we started in this quadrant here, which is the first quadrant. So basically we started and we measured in this direction. So continuing on, we just named the quadrants, okay, in the directions as we go around. Okay, just like that. So first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Okay. So now with these quadrants defined as the first through four, when we're looking at the related acute angle. So what we mean by that is if we were to draw a Cartesian plane and we said, okay, here's my angle of 30 degrees in here, okay? So we can relate this angle in all four other quadrants, okay? And it's quite easy. The way we think about it is they are all 30 degrees from the x-axis. Okay, so if we're talking about the related acute angle in the second quadrant, then we're talking about the ray that has a 30 degree here. In the third quadrant, it is down here. And in the fourth quadrant, well, that wasn't 30 degrees. That wasn't 30 degrees at all. It is something like that. Okay? So the related acute angle for 30 degrees is also 180 degrees before 30 degrees, which is 150 degrees. It is 30 degrees after 180 degrees, which is 210 degrees. And it is also 30 degrees before the 360, or 330 degrees, okay? So 30 degrees, 150 degrees, 210 degrees, and 330 degrees are all related angles. So that just means that when we go later on to do sine, cosine, and tan in our next few videos, if we're trying to do sine of 150 degrees, well, we know that sine of 150 degrees is pretty much the same triangle or the same, distance as if we were to do sine of 30 degrees and 210 and 330. It's a little bit harder than just that, and we'll talk about that in the next upcoming videos.